Erin from MyFreezEasy here, and did you know that you can change the default serving size in your account? So mine is set to 6 because we are a family of 6, but you can adjust all of the recipes at once, or you can adjust them individually here, and it will update the math for you on your plans, the shopping list, and the recipes. But if you want to change your default setting, you come up to here. Mine is on the admin panel. Mine might look a little bit different from yours, but you come up here to edit my profile, and it will take you to a very blank looking page. And from here, mine has some extra settings, but you can see yours will have this, your default unit type, either imperial or metric, USA or metric, and your serving size. So you can just adjust that here. Once you have adjusted it, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit update your profile. Again, ignore all these other admin settings that are here. And then when you go back to one of the recipe category pages, you will see that it is updated to your default serving size on all of the recipes in the recipe listing. So mine did hold the 6, but if you had changed it, if we had changed it to 4 or 2 or 8, it would have all of that setting size here. Your default setting would show up here. And again, you can adjust each individual recipe as you need to. And that is how you update the default serving size in your profile.